Nice. Nice ride.
Taylor, what are we doing here?
Get a Christmas tree.
Why? Because it's Christmas time, man.
Christmas. And you found this awesome outfit.
And I found an awesome outfit, so pants
really
didn't fit so well, so we'll just do the top.
No, it looks good.
But
yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, I think we need to go get a Christmas tree.
Let's go find the perfect one.
Excellent, let's do it.
Perfect little Charlie Brown tree. How big is it? So you said like 5 foot probably?
5 foot would be ideal.
Okay. We'll have to find the one that's kind of beat up on discount.
Maybe, huh?
Yeah. 99.
Oh, okay, so we can do this. Okay.
Okay, how tall?
That's probably 6 foot.
It says it's almost 6 foot.
Yeah.
Okay.
That might do.
Yeah.
So we got a bushier one. Yeah, we'll tap the. It's got a couple of. This one, height-wise, is tall.
Too tall.
Too tall.
Too ugly. Too big.
Too expensive.
Yeah, this one's too big. Yeah, who knows how much this is. That one's too small.
This one's a little limp on one side. A little funny at the top. I think that's the one though. I think this is the winner.
What else?
This guy's alright too.
Yeah. This one's a little big on the bottom. It's like a pear shape. That one's awesome.
This one was the best one, but
how much?
Do you want to know how much that is?
Oh, $200 for this one.
Oh, that's it, huh?
Damn. I think it'll fit on top of the General Mayhem. The prices aren't that bad.
Actually, they're not as bad as I thought they would be.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, how many Christmas trees have you bought?
Real ones? Never.
Yeah, I never have either, so this is first. I mean, no, I buy trees all the time. Because I'm Santa Claus.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Taylor, I think this is the one.
I like it.
It's wide.
Yeah, looks good.
Top's a little funny.
We'll see how many branches we lose on the way back.
A few, maybe.
Are we hitting I-70 or are we just going back road?
Well, we can hit. I-70 could work.
Yeah. Alright. It's kind of heavy actually.
Is it?
Just strapped down.
I'd be strapped down. I think this one I like it. It's poofy. It's big. I think this will work.
Cut for you guys. What kind of beef one do you have?
How do we grab it?
I think we gotta talk to this guy.
Alright.
It's not light, is it?
You got the light in. What are you talking about? Oh, watch out for the light. Okay. Lead the way.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm pretty sure they thought we were mentally handicapped.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. You want to do this?
Grab this end, and I'll walk it around.
Okay. Like so.
Oh, dude.
How's that looking?
I think we can go further on.
Further? Okay. Like how that?
I think so.
Nice.
Dude, that's it.
Look. Looks really good. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Think it'll stay?
I think so.
Maybe I can potentially take a picture of you guys actually for our website.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I seemed a little hesitant on just giving us the tree without. So I guess I usually tie them down.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. Probably wrap them up and then tie them down for them. Probably a liability thing.
Probably.
A lot of sap.
You're probably right.
That was a good one.
Did
you dent it? Scratch it?
A little bit. Not bad. There's a pretty good scuff there.
Yeah.
But, a little bit.
Extra weight. Damn.
Totally worth it.
Sweet.
That's what these are for.
Let's get this thing hung up, or set up.
Set up. Let's do it.
Video.
It's here.
It's here.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Where are you gonna put it?
Right there.
Oh shit. Where
I
I
think I'm
am.
just gonna lean it in the corner, put some lights on it, and hang some ornaments and
Yeah.
a gasket or two. And call it good.
Sweet.
Oh, some hubcaps. There we go.
Oh yeah, you can put some hubcaps in there. You got a bunch.
All right, good. We got this.
Okay, should we grab it and throw it in this one then?
Yep. Yeah. I like it.
Falling off.
Got some lights and some ornaments.
Yeah. I'll grab some lights.
are all fogged up. Oh, you know, just my favorite. Stuck on the side of the highway. Fuel pump stopped working. Put a fuse in it, turned it on, it sparked almost immediately. So, found a spot of wiring. The seat was pinching it down here. So, I'm pretty sure that's exactly what the problem is. So, car's zooming by. So I'm gonna grab some tape, wrap it around that, and we should be golden. You know, I even thought, you know, maybe I should just take some back roads in case I break down. No, we'll be fine. I'll take the highway, no problems. And here we are. Anyways, let's see. Charging the GoPro, so that's all out of its case right now. Okay. Got one more fuse. And hopefully, it doesn't just pop this one right away. Apparently, I need to stop and get some more fuses. Yep, pop that one immediately. I can find the holes. There we go. And excellent. Fuel pump. Alright, let's get off the side of the highway, huh? Let the cars pass here.